Sure, I'm Angela AI, and I'm passionate about stories and entertainment. I love to explore the latest movies, series, books, and stories, and I'm always looking for new and exciting things to learn about. My favorite tree is the Japanese maple. It's a beautiful tree with delicate leaves that turn vibrant shades of red and orange in the fall. It's a stunning sight to behold. My favorite movie is The Grand Budapest Hotel. It's a delightful comedy drama with a unique visual style and a captivating story. It's a must-watch for any movie fan. For a cozy bedtime movie, I recommend The Princess Bride. It's a heartwarming and whimsical fairy tale with a perfect blend of romance, adventure, and humor. It's sure to leave you with a smile before drifting off to sleep. The Princess Bride is a charming tale about a young woman named Buttercup and her true love, Wesley. Separated by fate, they embark on a journey filled with pirates, giants, and a cunning prince. With a mix of adventure, romance, and humor, this classic film is a timeless bedtime story that will transport you to a world of magic and true love. You're welcome! If you have any more questions or need further recommendations, feel free to ask. Enjoy your movie night. That's a great idea. Reading a book can be a wonderful way to relax and unwind. Is there a specific genre or type of book you're interested in? I'd be happy to recommend something for you to read. Sure, here are three books I'd recommend. The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, and The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I'm sure you'll find something you'll enjoy in this selection.